Every person has some form of innate psychic power ability. Some people have a higher level of psychic abilities than others. Before one can tap and awaken your psychic power, you will have believed that there exists something not seen by the naked eye. So, how do you know there is such a thing as psychic power ability? Here are the 6 signs to know if you have psychic power or not. Number 1. You can predict future. This is the most obvious sign that you have a psychic ability, especially when you are almost correct each time you do. You don't have to predict breakthroughs, even small predictions and occurrence count. Number 2. You often have vivid dreams. There are instances where in your dreams may feel so real that they leave an impression that lasts not only for hours but even for days. For instance, you may have dreamed of someone that you haven't seen for a long time only to bump into them the next day. You don't have to experience only night dreams, but it can also be that a daydream of being awarded with a trophy may suddenly flash in your mind only to find out minutes later that you are up for a promotion. Be wary of lucid dreams because these are the strongest signs that you may have psychic ability. Number 3. You see colors and patterns in people. Psychics perceive people differently. This is often because they are experiencing synesthesia, a condition in which senses are swapped. Have you ever met a new person whom you associated with a color, a flower, or a landscape? Have you ever heard musical notes surrounding someone? These flashes of sensory perception take places internally and when they happen are very clear, but most people don't talk about it because of fear that doing so would sound too weird. Number 4. You experience deja vu many times. Do you often get that feeling that you have been in that exact moment or lived a particular event before? Do you find a strange, unsettling feeling that you are familiar with the situation you are living in now, but you can't quite put your finger on it? If you can relate, then it's likely possible that you are experiencing one of the first signs of being psychic. Number 5. You feel sensation in between your brows. Your third eye is the space between your eyebrows. If you feel any kind of tingling or pressure, it could be because your third eye is about to opening up and you are starting to pick up on psychic signals. Number 6. You see things moving in the corner of your eye. Do you see things out of the corner of your eyes to the point where you're actually double checking that you didn't just see someone? If you do and find that there is nothing there, these might be earthbound spirits floating around in a space. So these were the 6 signs of having psychic abilities. If you feel like you possess all these, then there is a great chance that you have a psychic abilities which you can channel in and enhance for the greater good. And at the end, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up too. Thank you so much.